Well, hello again. Got a lot done. I was able to get a good chunk in over the weekend and been working tonight. Pretty good. It seems like I get back up to 100% code coverage and then I go implement more code and decrease that coverage back down, and then I got to go write more tests. It's crazy cycle. I'm almost up to 100 tests. I'm 93 right now, and I haven't even tested commit yet. Which commit is a bit of a beast, to be completely honest. It is about 31 to 80, 49, 48, just under 50 lines of code, and it's dense. Because I've got to run everything through just in the proper order, and I got to add things to sets of changes and throw them in there, and I'll have to talk more about that at some point. But commit and patch are the crux. They're the core of vGraph. It's where all the magic happens. Everything else is ancillary, but to do a commit and to do a patch, that's what it's all about. Found an interesting thing. Maven Central. You're required to be in control of the domain name that you use in reverse for your package name or your group ID. So I was going to use org.trepo, but they said no. So I'm using com.github.trepo as my group ID for my POM. So that's an interesting thing. With any luck, here's what I'm shooting for. By Friday, I've committed and pushed to Maven Central, and it's available. Version 0.1.0 of vGraph will be there, will be out, will be available. And then decap. Decap will be so much easier than this. It's just a key value based object store with a client and a server, and that'll be pretty easy. And once I put those two together, then I can actually start writing Trepo itself. I also need to spend some time. I'll probably, depending on what I do tomorrow, I'll probably, I don't know. I need to write or go through a presentation of why vGraph and Trepo and all of these technologies are necessary in the genealogy industry. Was going through that, talking to myself in the shower this morning. Made myself a little late for work. Got in at closer to 8, so that was good. But hopefully I'll do that. May even give that presentation in the next 7 to 14 days, just to see how it goes. And I don't know. Everything else is proceeding along fairly nicely. I've kind of made the internal commitment to myself to only ship with 100% code coverage, and not just like coverage, but like logical coverage. So I said, okay, here's this scenario goes through, here's this scenario goes through. Making sure it's really, really solid, because I don't really want to come back to this code, open it all back up and stick it all back in my brain if I don't have to. I know I will. 100% guaranteed. But yeah, we'll see. See what happens. So, well, tomorrow either more coding or building presentation. Take care.